Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of MINISO Group, a global value retailer known for its trendy lifestyle products and innovative IP designs. Stay tuned as we summarize the report, discuss the highlights of the results, and what it all means for investors like you. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
MINISO Group announced its unaudited financial results for the quarter and first half ended June 30, 2024. The company reported a significant increase in revenue, gross profit, and operating profit, with revenue surpassing RMB 4 billion for the first time in a quarter. The company also saw a record high gross margin and continued expansion in both mainland China and overseas markets. Despite some foreign exchange losses, the adjusted net profit showed strong growth. The company also declared an interim cash dividend and announced a share repurchase program.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter was RMB 4,035.2 million, 555.3 million, representing an increase of 24.1% year-over-year. This is the first time the company surpassed RMB 4 billion in revenue for a quarter.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The GAAP basic and diluted earnings per ADS were both RMB 188 in the June quarter, representing an increase of 9.3% year-over-year from RMB 1.72 in the same period of 2023. The non-GAAP adjusted basic and diluted earnings per ADS were both 2.0128, representing an increase of 11.1% year-over-year from 180 in the same period of 2023.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Revenue from mainland China increased by 18.1% year-over-year, including a 17.4% increase in revenue from MINISO's offline stores and a 24.3% increase in revenue from Top Toy. Revenue from overseas markets increased 35.5% year-over-year, breaking its previous record set in the December quarter of 2023.
Cash flow and financial health. What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Net cash from operating activities increased 4.9% year-over-year to RMB 1,293.8 million, 178 million for the first half of 2024. Capital expenditure was RMB 302.8 million, 41.7 million, and free cash flow was RMB 991 million, 136.4 million for the first half of 2024.
Were there any changes in cash dividends or stock splits announced in the current quarter?
Yes, the company declared an interim cash dividend of 2,744 per American Depositary Share, or US$0.686 per ordinary share, to be paid on September 23, 2024, for ordinary shares and September 27, 2024 for ADSs.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
The company continued its expansion strategy, opening 455 net new stores in the first half of 2024, including 266 net new MINISO stores in overseas markets and 47 net new Top Toy stores. The company also announced a share repurchase program to repurchase up to 10% of its total outstanding shares in the next 12 months.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
The company expects revenue to increase by 20% to 30% on a year-over-year basis for the full year of 2024. The adjusted net profit target is RMB 2.8 billion or higher.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
MINISO Group has shown strong financial performance, with significant growth in revenue, gross profit, and operating profit. The company's strategic expansion in both mainland China and overseas markets has been successful, and it has maintained profitability despite foreign exchange losses. The declaration of an interim dividend and the share repurchase program indicate confidence in the company's future prospects.
That's all for today's analysis of MINISO Group's impressive performance and growth prospects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think MINISO is a good buy right now. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.